Hello guys, I'm back with another video on Spark. So in this video we will learn about how to apply filters on a PySpark data frames. Like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's go into the code. So if you guys have gone through my previous videos, so you would have found out the same code till here where we have discussed reading a CSV file. From then we will be doing some filtrations on the data frame. So I have a data frame which is in the structure having the 4 columns and around 5 rows. So let's see, let's filter out using few scenarios. So I want to first filter out where the address is equal to Delhi. So I want to get all the members who has been associated with Delhi. So let's run this. So from the main data frame, it's going to filter out where the address equal to Delhi. Yeah. So if we compare with the whole data sets, we have only two places or the 2 rows which has Delhi. So the resultant output for us is a data frame which has only 2 rows which has ID and 3, ID 1 and 3, which is associated with Delhi. Now let's check the another scenario. I just copying the same thing and let me comment this. Okay, and now I'm going to filter out depending upon the age too. So this is my first condition, and my second condition is I want to take the guys who has an age is less than 30. So this is my column and I'm going to filter out where age is less than 30. And if you see here, then we are not going to get any guys, so let's put then less than or equal to 30. Let's remove the space. Okay, and let's run it. It's creating the Spark session, and yeah, here we got. So only one of the person who is associated with Delhi and has the age as less than or equal to 30 is Mohan, and we got the 1 row out of it. So it depends, we can put multiple filters on this. So this is the one which has only one as an condition, and this is an nested condition or an multiple conditions on the same data frame. So similarly we can take another example, or let's just see where I want to just filter out the guys or the workers who has age is, for example, greater than or equal to 32. From among the whole workers. Yeah, so we got the guys around 3 which has age of 32, which is equal to so I have put a condition where it is greater than or equal to 32, so I got 3 rows out of it, which is John, and 35 is Ram, and Peter is 33. So these are all these 3 guys has been in a criteria where their age is greater than or equal to 32. So we got the result accordingly. So this is how we can put an conditions to filter out the data, and let me show you. This is the statement which I'm just using to show the data frame by applying this operation on the same data frame. So let me comment this to skip those executions, and if I copy this, my last execution. Okay, so how to assign an data frame out of the filtration data frame. For example, I want to assign data into another data frame after the filtration, so we need to remove the show statement, and if we see here, whatever the data is being there in the df with the filtration where age equal to greater than or less than greater than or equal to 32, it's been assigned into the df1. So let's try to print the df1 now. So I'm executing the code which is going to print out the df1 as an data. So it is nothing but assigning an data frame into another data frame with some filtrations. So yeah, if you can see now, I have printed using the df1 or the df. It means the data from df is being assigned into the df1 with the filtration which I applied. I think this is all covers the major filtrations on the data frames. I hope this will be helpful for you guys, and we will see in many filtrations in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.